Communist watch. Have a good day.
Sponsored by Pfizer.
We know the way through this pandemic is by following the science and stepping up to protect each other, getting everyone vaccinated.
Listen, fuckhead, you have fucking crossed the line. Get that through your goddamn fucking head. Stop pushing your shit.
If you keep giving into it, they're going to have a hold of you, and they can control you. That's what they want them to make them happy. And then they're just going to keep moving it. They're just going to keep moving it forward, moving the goalposts, and providing you with more money, and giving you more things, but keep moving it in a certain direction. And if you keep giving into it, they're going to have a hold of you, and they can control you.
But them can't say the truth, because the truth will not be found there. That is why the man said this revolution will be telepathic.
The Enlightenment was a European project. But I am not embarrassed about taking the tools of the Enlightenment and wielding. They don't belong to Europe. They're human tools. They were a discovery in Europe. At some level, who the fuck cares? These are the most powerful tools ever.
I feel like there's a big difference between not knowing what the meaning of life is and, God, I gotta get the fuck out of this job. I can't live my life this way. What's the meaning of life if this is my life?
Hey, party people in the house. You're about to witness something you've never witnessed before.
So, listen for me, you better listen for me, you know. Listen for me, you better listen for me, you know. Don't you know what is going on, Terry? Home of the black soul, part one, proper English. Motherfucker! How much vitriol do we have to see of HONK, which is an acronym for Hail Hitler?
Thank you.
Breaker 19, this here's a rubber duck. You got a copy on me, big fan? Come on.
I just want to hear Dale play guitar.
Sedition, insurrection, a threat to democracy.
This city is under siege. They are now calling it an occupation.
Alarming situation there in Ottawa.
The police chief is calling it a nationwide insurrection driven by madness.
This is kind of our insurrection by air horn moment. I think it's part of the globalization of Trump.
There hasn't been as much violence as some had perhaps projected, but that does not necessarily mean that it has been peaceful.
Reports of severe vandalism and criminal behavior.
The streets are clogged. The honking is incessant.
This group is a threat to our democracy. What we're seeing is bigger than just a city of Ottawa problem. This is a nationwide insurrection.
Couldn't tell everybody freedom is what's actually popular.
This country is a country of freedom. Freedom to do what you want with your body, with your body, with your body.
preparing food, keeping everyone nice, safe, and warm, and well fed. There was no sense that this wasn't a united Canada. It was perfect. It was everything as a kid I thought Canada should be like.
Amazing. How has it been?
The vibe of love has been so intense and amazing, and I hope that we can keep that up.
I know you're wondering about what you saw in our capital city this weekend. Over the past few days, Canadians were shocked and frankly disgusted by the behavior displayed by some people protesting in our nation's capital.
The Canadian truckers who are resisting bravely these lawless mandates are doing more to defend freedom than our own leaders by far. That's true.
Small fringe minority is the best way to continue to ensure our freedoms, our rights, our values as a country.
And we want those great Canadian truckers to know that we are with them all the way.
For the devil sends the beast with wrath.